Fire in the hole, let's cook some sausage balls. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard barbecue grill. It's good to be back, I'll tell you what. Today we're going to make the most simple possible recipe that you can make on your grill. It's delicious and it's good. All you need is some of this Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuit mix. You need a block of cheese, 8 ounces of extra sharp cheddar, and some sausage. We're going to mix these things all together in a bowl and we're going to make sausage balls, and then I'm going to kick them up a little bit to make some extra special sausage balls. So let me get this stuff all in the bowl mixed up and we'll make some of these sausage balls up, and then we'll get a fire going and we'll cook some sausage balls, so stay tuned. Okay, I've got my sausage ball mixture pretty much mixed up here. And we're just going to form this into balls like this and put them on a parchment paper lined tray. Try to get them all the same size if possible, but you know, sometimes it's not possible. Some of them are going to be bigger than others, some will be smaller. That cheese is going to ooze out of there as it cooks, you know that, and it's going to be good. But I want to kick this up a notch. I'm going to make a bunch of these first. Then I'll show you what I'm going to do. Let me make some of these balls first, and I'll show you how I'm going to kick it up a notch. Stay tuned. Okay, so I made about 8 balls with just the generic mix, just the cheese, the mix, and the sausage. And I'm going to drop into the rest of that some diced jalapeno. That'll give it some nice color and a little bit of bite. And some diced onion, which will also further flavor the remaining sausage balls. That I got to mix this all up in there. And yeah, it smells good already with that onion and jalapeno. And let me get the rest of these made, and these ones will be onion and jalapeno. You'll be able to pick these out because you can see the jalapeno in there. So let me make a few of these with the onion and jalapeno. I'll put them over on the end of this thing here so that maybe you can differentiate between them. But you can see the jalapeno in there. So let's put that right there. Make some more of these onion and jalapeno ones. These are for me. The rest are for the rest of the family who don't like onions and jalapenos, but I like them. So yeah, let me get these all made up, formed up, and I'll get them on the grill and I'll show you what that looks like when they're cooking. Then we got to cook them till they get to an internal temperature of about 165 degrees. Then we'll get them off there. I got some dipping sauces, and we're going to drink a beer and take a taste of my sausage balls. So stay tuned. Alright, the sausage balls are done. They're on the grill. I don't know how long that's going to take. They got to come up to about an internal temperature of about 165 degrees. So I'm going to let them cook a while, and we'll come back and check them. And then I will plate this up, and we will eat and drink, my friends. So stay tuned. My sausage balls are done. Here's today's beer, Pabst Blue Ribbon. How long has it been since you've had a Pabst Blue Ribbon? The original Pabst Blue Ribbon beer, nature's choicest product. Provides its precise flavor. Anyway, Pabst Blue Ribbon. I can't remember when I've had one of these. There's the Frosty Root Boy mug. Let's pour this out. I guess it's a lager. Pretty sure. See if I can tilt that glass, Rob, and not make a mess on my first pour back. Oh boy, it was iffy, but I got it done. And there you go. There you go, Pabst Blue Ribbon beer. Does that look good? I think it does. Let's take a sniff of that, Rob. What do you think? Rob, I didn't just sniff it, I drank some. I couldn't wait. It's very good, very refreshing. It's just a lager, I think, but it's a nice beer. Pabst Blue Ribbon. Hey, let's try a taste of one of my sausage balls. Let me get a sausage ball over here in my mouth. I got some Whataburger honey mustard dipping sauce, but I also have my favorite stuff here. This is my Japanese barbecue sauce that I love so much. This is the hot and spicy version of it. There's two versions. There's the mild and the hot and spicy, and I've fallen in love with the hot and spicy. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of hot and spicy on one. Hot and spicy Japanese barbecue sauce. I also want to use that Whataburger stuff. Yeah, I want to get one. I want to get one with that Whataburger dipping sauce on there. And I got that Japanese barbecue sauce on there too. There it is. Hey, what do you think? Let's give that a taste. Oh man. That's the stuff right there, boy. Oh, that's so good. Cheesy sausage balls. Let me tell you what. That's got to be the easiest recipe ever. Hey, baby. You know what I always say? Excuse me. What I always say is, if you like this crap, please consider subscribing. If you don't, go up in the iCard and visit my buddy Rob, the barbecue pit dog. You might like what he's doing. If not, I got nothing else for you, babies. That's it. That's all I got. Sausage balls. It's good to be back. We'll see you next week, maybe. I hope so. Bye.